Good morning, everybody. The bell says it's time to hop into learning. I hope you're ready for a day full of questions, colors, and maybe a surprise or two. Grab your seats, take a deep breath, and let's begin by sharing something wonderful you noticed on your way to school. Who would like...
Whoa! Ah! Max, stop the landing! Well, kind of. You made the whole room explode! It's called a dramatic entrance.
Our teacher is so gonna flip.
Better start picking up, superstar. Yeah.
Whoa! Did the room just shiver?
My cap jumped right off my head.
That's better. Now you can hear me.
Hear you? I felt you!
What was that, Bunny? Some kind of clapquake?
Focus Snap works great for noisy classrooms.
And messy ones.
Okay, that's actually...
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to our cozy classroom. The desks are all ready, the books are stacked, and the sun is shining just for us. Today, we're going to learn something bright and fun, just like this little sun. Find your seat, take a deep breath,